Hello everyone, this is day 40 and this is the day 17 of my 30-day challenge, and I have done most like all of the things, just I need to do reading. So it's almost 10 o'clock at night, and yeah, I'm making this video. I want to show you the practice first. So day 16 and the day 17 practice, then we talk later. Alright, so this is the day 16 practice, and here you can see like the task, and here is my practice, and this is the feedback, like almost have correction. Like why I am having these much connection, because I off the grammarly option, and this is the day 17 practice. So yeah, so like that I have also done. All right, let's use the camera first. Day 17 practice I have to do again. I made a mistake, so which I need to fix, which I need to learn. So that definitely I will redo it, and I need to reading today. Like my reading practice is not done yet. So yeah, and today's days was very great, like and very productive also. Like I have finished all the things which I had or which I have in my plate, and like uh, today I got a chance to speak on an office call also, and I feel I was able to speak well today. So this is a good thing. Let's talk about little bit on speaking practice. So today I had a call with one Indian guy, and we talked about. Actually, he asked me about my profession. So I talked about lot. So actually, he was very interesting in my field. So yeah, it's always feel good when you talk about your field and someone shows interest in your field and ask for your opinion. So yeah, like I explained all the things to him, and he was very happy while while we are talking or while we are speaking. So yeah, overall it was a very productive day, and that's it. बाय बाय फॉर नाउ, मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में, जब तक के लिए बाय, एंड प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. बाय बाय.